channel. This is Energetic Waist Beads, and we're here with another Create With Me video. But first, I gotta start off with them snacks, because that popcorn is the bomb, okay? So comment down below if you ever tried that brand or whatever your favorite snack is while you bead, because you have to have some snacks. This set I'm designing is my protection waist bead, and the crystal that I use for this set is Smokey Quartz, Onyx, Hematite, and Obsidian. I was really excited about creating this waist bead because I had the protection candle burning in the background that I got from another lady who does really amazing spiritual work. So it was really cool to have those two elements. So if you did want your own protection waist bead, you can visit my website, energeticwaistbeads.com. Stay tuned to the end so you can see the finished design, and thanks for watching.